Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable Snap to Grid in OneNote. This feature is particularly useful when you want complete freedom in positioning your shapes and images exactly where you want them, without OneNote automatically aligning them to an invisible grid. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait for your notebook to fully load before proceeding to the next step. This ensures all your pages and sections are properly accessible and ready for editing. Once your notebook has been loaded, the process of disabling Snap to Grid is quite straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Here, you'll find the Insert menu. Click on it to reveal all the insert tools available in OneNote. This menu contains various options for adding different elements to your notes, including shapes, which is what we'll be working with today. From the Insert menu, look for the Shapes dropdown and click on it. This will expand to show you additional shape-related options. The Shapes tool is where OneNote houses all the settings related to drawing and positioning shapes on your page, making it the perfect place for grid-related controls. Now, here's the key step. From the expanded menu, simply click on Snap to Grid while you have your image or shape highlighted. By clicking this option, you'll toggle the Snap to Grid feature off, which means your shapes and images will no longer automatically align to the grid. This gives you much more precise control over where you place elements on your page, allowing for more creative and flexible layouts in your notes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Snap to Grid feature in OneNote, giving you full control over positioning your shapes and images wherever you need them on the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.